Breakfast sandwiches are a fundamental part of our breakfast menu at Port City Java and should be prepared with care. We use an oven to cook our breakfast sandwiches specifically programmed for the items we serve. To utilize the oven's programming effectively, it is important to follow the standards set for cooking breakfast sandwiches as outlined in our training manual. First, make sure that the black mesh basket is used anytime food items are prepared in the oven. This basket prevents ingredients from moving during the cooking process and ensures that items are inserted and removed from the oven safely and effectively. You should use a piece of the pre-cut pan liner paper by laying it flat on the black mesh basket. Breakfast sandwiches should be arranged on the pan liner paper following the protein down rule. This rule means that egg patties, bacon slices, sausage patties, and ham slices should be in direct contact with the liner paper, with the cheese inserted between the protein and the bread. Since egg and cheese sandwiches only have one protein source, they should be arranged with the half of the sandwich that contains the egg patty face down, while the other half is face up. When cooking breakfast sandwiches that contain meat, such as the sandwich our barista is preparing, press the corresponding meat muffin button, followed by the number of sandwiches that are to be cooked. You may cook up to 4 sandwiches at a time, providing they are all the same type. If you are preparing an egg and cheese sandwich, press the egg muffin button on the oven, followed by the number of sandwiches that are to be cooked. It is important to only cook like sandwiches together in the oven at one time. Since the oven uses a different setting for egg and cheese sandwiches than it does any egg sandwich containing meat, they should not be cooked together in the oven. Sandwiches should also not be cooked alongside breakfast wraps, bagels, or any other item that uses a different oven setting. When plating or packaging breakfast sandwiches, use a spatula to assemble the sandwich. It is not standard practice to cut breakfast sandwiches in half. Only do so if a guest requests it that way. If it is to be served for here, place it on a plate with one napkin. If the sandwich is to go, wrap it in brown deli paper before putting it into the bakery bag with one napkin.